Hi everyone, my name's Jenna Gormal. I'm the co-director of prevention and engagement at End Domestic Abuse Wisconsin. We're the statewide coalition to end domestic violence, and I am here at the state capitol to talk a little bit about our public policy advocacy. So one of the things that we talk a lot about at End Abuse is the fact that intimate partner violence is a community issue and not a private matter. We do our best to explain how all kinds of legislation, both obviously and not so obviously, affect survivors. Around 1 in 3 people will experience domestic violence, and that means that each survivor is really unique with their own life experiences and backgrounds. And so what that also means is that survivors experience different types of barriers to safety and healing. And it's part of my job to eliminate what those are in rooms like these and to offer solutions. And some of the policy issues that we work on include things like housing, common sense firearm legislation, public benefits, child welfare, family law. And we do that by sharing our expertise with elected officials and by supporting survivors in sharing their powerful stories and advocates as well, and also by informing folks of how best to contact and when it's best to contact their elected officials. One of our most recent impactful lobbying efforts was the VOCA fix, which is federal legislation that ensured essential funding for programs all across Wisconsin. And the VOCA fix impacts hundreds of thousands of survivors all across the US, and our lobbying efforts made that a reality. So I guess what I'm here to say is that public policy advocacy is a really critical component in our mission to end violence and to live in a Wisconsin where intimate partner violence is no longer an issue. We want to create communities that are safe for ourselves, for survivors, for our children, and none of that advocacy that I do here, none of the advocacy that we do at End Abuse would be possible without your support. So if you are able to, we would really, really appreciate if you would donate to us today as part of the big share. And thanks for listening and for any support that you can give. We really appreciate it.